So over here, you can see that I have a document, and let's say I want to go ahead and print this out in the remote computer. So for that, if I were to actually go around over here onto settings and onto printer, you can see that this is actually enabled in my computer. So in the same way, it should be enabled in the remote desktop as well. So once that is enabled, you can simply go around over here onto their laptop right here. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and access it. And here you can see that there's another document right here. But I have this document over here open on my computer. So I'm just going to go around over here onto File and then click on Print. And here you can see that AnyDesk printer is an option. So if I were to go ahead and print this out now, what happens is that the other user will get a permission incoming printing job, as you can see right here. So they can use a selected printer or the default printer right here as they want, and then go ahead and accept it to go ahead and print it out. So let's say, for example, they selected a virtual printer, let's say, for example, then what happens is that this is what they have right here. So let's just go around over here onto a particular document. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto a particular place like this computer right here, and let me just go around over here onto let's say, for example, users, XP, and then let's just go around onto downloads right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in as sample, click on save, and what happens is that it'll be saved as a PDF file right there. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the remote printing option in AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.